Hi guys, we have here the Artland multicolored ceramic berry fruit basket set of 4. Just want to get a quick look at this product. As you can see here, it comes nicely wrapped in bubble wrap so it doesn't break in transit. So let's go ahead and open this up. Give you guys a quick look at this product here. If you're looking to purchase any of this, please visit the link in the video below or in the description. So there you have it. That's the white color one. So it comes out nicely wrapped, as you can see here. Put that back. Let's get this one out here. Give you guys a quick preview of the colors. As you can see here, that's the color. That's what it looks like on the bottom there. Let's go ahead and open this one. Bottom. And last but not least, go ahead and open this one up. So there you have it. 4 multicolored ceramic berry fruit baskets. Looking to purchase this or any questions, please visit the link in the video. As always, please subscribe to our channel, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.